don't say too much. I just keep the touch. Baby, I don't say too much.
Hello guys, what's poppin'? Que la que hay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a video with Dayaneri, and she's gonna be doing my makeup. Dayaneri's my little cousin. She is 4 years, well, she's gonna be 4 years old. She's 3 years old, and she's gonna be doing my makeup today. So I'm gonna show you guys the whole process, just getting everything and picking out all the makeup. So if that is something you would like to see, go ahead and keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe and do what? Come on, say like the video.
No, you.
You have to say it. You're part of the video.
No, you.
Like a video and share the video. Alright, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First, lip gloss or lipstick. Which one do you want to pick?
This one.
But there's a lot, so look through them.
This one.
That one? Okay. Next, you have to pick one of each.
Okay.
So we're gonna put that over here.
This.
You wanna use that powder? Okay, put that there. What else? Nope, not there. We already have one powder. And we can pick something from here or from here.
Here.
That one? Okay, put it there. All right, next from here.
This.
Oh, we can't use that. You already picked one.
This.
That one? So then you have to put this one back.
Not this one.
This one? Okay, then pick one of those. There's more.
I want more.
You want? No, well, you have to. Well, okay, whatever.
I want 1, 2.
Okay. But that's not for the lip. Well, whatever. We're just gonna go with it. All right.
This. That.
Next,
That.
we have
This.
palettes.
This.
That one? But there's more. Like there's a hamburger one.
I want this one too.
That one too? Okay, put it there. Okay, now you have to pick
This.
that. Okay, we can put that. What else?
This.
Well, you got that one.
Oh yeah. This.
The spray? Okay, you can put it there.
This.
That's for something different. You want glitter? We can do glitter.
I want glitter.
This one? All right.
Now that.
And that's it, right?
Yep.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take the makeup. I'm gonna bring it over there and I'll be back with you guys in just a second.
Get that.
Okay, everything's just falling now.
This one now.
So tell everybody hi. You have to get
Hi.
up. You have to, they can't see you.
Hi.
Hold on, let's make it a little bit out more. There you go.
Hi.
Say, what's your name?
Dayaneri.
And how old are you?
3.
And what are we doing today?
Doing Ada's makeup.
Okay, what are we starting with?
This.
Okay, go.
Where do I go? Here?
Yeah.
And this side. Oh, you have to get more.
Okay, you got the right concept.
It goes here?
Where?
Here.
On my chin? Sure, go ahead. Knock yourself out.
And this?
Where?
This.
Sure, go ahead.
Not your lips, right?
No, not on my lips. Good job.
This more. More. Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna be shining bright like a diamond. Alright, what's next?
This.
I'm gonna use the palettes.
Yep. What is
Yeah,
that?
but you have to sit up so they can see you.
Oh yeah, I remembered.
What are we using?
Pink.
Okay, show them.
Where do I go?
She's using that color, she said.
Huh?
This color we're using, right?
This one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Where do it go?
The eyes. Yeah, you know where to put it.
Pink. Do it goes here?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I have to get more. Can I do it on me too?
Sure.
Can you put it on me?
Sure, I can put it on you.
And can I sit on that chair?
Again on the chair?
Yeah, because
We'll see.
hey.
No, I'll put it on you while you put it on me. It's a challenge.
It's not yet.
You cannot be a diva right now. You're having way too many diva moments. This is like diva moment number 30.
Oh, this.
Okay.
I can't open it. Oh, there we go.
You got it.
What is this?
It's for your face.
Face?
It's like lotion. Oh, okay.
On the other side now.
Are you gonna use a sponge to mix it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
On the other side. Oh, I put it on your hair by accident.
It's okay.
Okay, done. Done. Now, this.
Oh, you want to put the spray?
How do you open it?
Oh, like that. Yep. Here, before it falls out. There you go.
How do I? Oh, it's
This way. Yep, like that.
I didn't spray.
Spray. Let me see. Before you spray my eye.
I can't.
Okay, let me do it. You gotta do it far away. Okay, there you go.
Oh, this.
Okay.
And then no. I actually want to.
So you want to put lip gloss on?
Where do I go?
And your lips.
Oh, okay.
They can't see you.
Pink.
Oh, okay. So this is an all pink look.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna put white.
So you're gonna put concealer on my lips?
Yep.
Okay. Wow. Oh wow. Oh,
Now that.
I feel so pretty right now.
Now done.
All done. Okay.
Now. Whoa.
Be careful.
Now this done.
So we're putting concealer on my lips.
Ah,
But don't use too much because it has a lot on there.
I know.
Okay, go. Put it where you want to put it.
Let me hold it. I'm putting it on you. Huh?
It's not for the lips.
What is it for?
For under your eyes.
Oh, under here?
On the yeah, you can put it wherever. Just oh, okay. Oh, okay.
It goes on your eyes.
Oh, okay. I put it on my eyes. Yeah.
Wow. He knows it now.
Yeah. I can feel it being a lot right now. Ah!
What?
You poked me.
Sorry.
Oh, they're poking me.
Then.
But they have to see you.
Oh, sorry.
What are we doing next?
We're doing the next.
We didn't use foundation.
Oh, yeah.
No, yeah, like that, and then you use the sponge.
Oh, how did you put it? Oh,
You
this.
squirt it, yep. But only a little bit. See? It's only a little bit.
Where do I go? Is it on your face?
Yep, it goes on your face. No, see, you know what you're doing.
Huh?
You know what you're doing.
I have to get some more.
You gotta get some more.
Yep.
So tell the people, are you in school?
No.
You're not in school?
I'm not in school.
No? And you're home because of the quarantine?
Yeah. I mean, the coronavirus.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
The coronavirus?
Oh, wait. Put your face
What?
behind.
You're very bossy.
No, I'm not wearing
No? You don't think so?
No.
Okay. Well, hold on. You're making. See, it's spilling everywhere, dude. There. See, you got it all over your hands.
Go ahead. Close your eyes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, so you know how to blend out? You have to blend with your neck, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Have you been watching my makeup videos?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep. I was watching all of your makeup videos.
So you were learning, huh?
So now.
What do you want to use now?
This.
Oh, you want to use bronzer?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the brush for the bronzer.
I can't open it.
Let me see, that one's a little hard.
Where do I go? On your face?
Oh, yeah, right there. Uh-huh. Yep.
We didn't do this.
No. What do you mean?
We do this.
Oh, you want to use that?
We do this.
Oh, okay, you want to use the Oh, okay.
We use this.
Oh, you use the sponge for the contour.
Yeah.
Oh.
I saw the girl putting a sponge in it and putting like this and put it on her face and little girl put it on a girl's face.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now the powder. Be careful, the powder doesn't get everywhere. Here.
Whoa.
Hold on.
We need this.
There. Oh, you're gonna use a sponge for the powder too? So do this, look. So you don't make a mess.
Me. Where do I go?
Under your eyes, on your face. I meant under. Oh, but okay.
Oh, I need more.
You need more?
Yeah.
So guys,
Please.
tell the people when your birthday is.
My birthday is until 5.
What do you mean not until 5?
Because it's until 5.
Your birthday's in July.
Yeah, it's in 5 July.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, 5 July.
Oh, it's the 5th of July.
Yeah.
Oh, I wasn't sure where you were going with this 5.
Then.
All right, I think we got a lot of powder going on.
I think
What else do we need? Glitter, we haven't used the glitter.
Oh yeah, we did. Where do it goes?
You can put it on the eyes, you can put it on, it's for the eyes mainly.
For the eyes only, right?
Yeah,
What is this?
it's just glitter.
Okay. We have the thingy on.
What thingy? The little spoolie? Yeah. Go, show the people what it looks like.
It looks like glitter. But it is glitter.
Wow.
Is this paint?
Oh, you got some on my shirt. It's okay. Keep going. You can. It is okay.
And now then,
So what do you think about the coronavirus?
I think about the coronavirus is gonna get.
Here, look at them. Tell them. What do you think about the coronavirus?
I think the I still with that. Like, what do we need now?
The eyes. I mean the eyebrows. We never did the eyebrows.
Oh yeah, I remember.
There.
Here. What is that? Now this.
Yeah. Oh, look at you. Good job.
I need this.
Nina does your eyebrows?
Yeah.
Yeah? You know Nina?
No, Nina doing my mom's eyebrows.
She don't do yours yet?
No.
Is she gonna do them
Yeah, later.
when you get bigger?
Yeah, when I get bigger.
So you already have an eyebrow lady, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah. Wait a minute.
So what? It disappeared. There. Go. We'll shake that. Okay, go ahead. Did it break?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's a second piece. Let's see if it has any more. I think you're turning it, so close it. It's this way. There you go. Okay. But remember, you have this eyebrow too.
Oh, it's stuck on your thingy.
Remember, no, now you just broke it. Remember, be gentle. Really softly, not hard.
This.
Okay. You understand how it goes? Oh, we didn't put blush.
Huh?
Blush.
With blush.
The blush. It's the pink stuff you put on your face. It's over there.
Oh, I
Go
know.
open the second gaveta. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A makeup girl.
You want to be a makeup girl?
Yeah. Where do I go?
On your cheeks. Oh.
You're the seats.
Do you want to do gymnastics though?
Yeah. I can do gymnastics.
Yeah.
Yeah. On the
But remember, you have to tell them.
the carpet.
On the carpet, you do gymnastics.
Yeah, look.
I still can't see you. Go and show them. Okay. And what else do we need? We need anything else?
We need this.
One more bronzer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no, we need.
The last one, the latest one.
That's the last one too.
Okay, you want to use another palette? Here.
Don't you want to like spread it out?
This is the Dianetti show. You have to show them so you can do my makeup. So you're gonna use that palette?
Yep. No.
You're gonna get dark blue?
This is a here it is. Is this dark blue?
Yeah.
No, I can't. Where do it go? On your face?
On the eyes.
Here.
What is this, purple?
That's black.
Oh. Your eye, I remember. Oh, that is black. Blue. So I'm not gonna use pink.
Okay.
I'm gonna do black.
You're gonna use black?
On your
Okay.
eyes still?
Yeah.
Oh. And God, go down your eyes. And put it on your on your forehead.
The forehead's not my eyes.
Here. Your eye. Whoa. Okay, done.
We're done?
Yep.
You have to blow it. There you go. We're not gonna use another color?
No.
Okay.
Oh.
You can put
Oh, the
another
purple.
color on top.
Huh? On top?
Another color only here on the top.
Okay, on the top.
That's mom.
Yeah, like the
That's my
orange.
mom.
Like the orange. You see the orange?
She likes dark colors.
Where's the orange?
Orange over at the bottom.
This one.
That's the orange. You're gonna put it over here on the
You
top.
know your colors.
Nice. Good job.
Done.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Oh.
You can fix it with this.
That?
Yeah.
Not anymore powder.
See? Now see how you fixing it? Oh,
We were baking.
nice.
No more?
No more baking? Okay.
Bye.
No, we have to say this is the look
This is the look
that I created.
that I created.
Say if you like it, give it a thumbs up.
If you like it, give it a thumbs up.
And what?
Give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
And share my video, right?
And share our videos.
All right.
Done.
See you later, guys.